Picture this. You send an email at 9 a.m. By 5 p.m., you've received 3 requests for clarification, 1 irritated reply, and silence from your boss. Your quarterly report goes unread for weeks. Your presentation gets polite nods, and then the room mentally checks out. Sound familiar? Here's the reality. 86% of employees cite poor communication as a cause of workplace failures, and in 2025, 68% of customers who switched providers cited poor business communication. That's not just inconvenient, it's a professional risk. But here's what top performers understand. High-performance business writing isn't about perfect grammar. It's about using clear, structured communication, whether in emails, reports, or presentations, to drive action and influence outcomes. Imagine if everything you wrote or presented captured attention, if your reports shaped decisions, if your presentations secured buy-in. That's not a fantasy, it's a skill you're about to learn. Today, you'll master the frameworks that distinguish amateur communicators from executive-level professionals. By the end, your emails will be clearer, your reports more decisive, and your presentations more persuasive. First, let's retire the myth that effective business writing is about sounding professional. It's about being purposeful, whether the message is 2 lines or 50 pages. Your foundation, reader-centered thinking. Stop focusing on what you want to say. Focus on what your audience needs to understand. Nearly 3/4 of employers rank written communication as a top skill, yet most people fail because they stay stuck in writer-centered mode. Before writing anything, ask, 1. What does my reader care about right now? 2. What's the one action I want them to take? 3. What's stopping them from taking that action? Part 1. Master high-impact emails with the S.C.R.A.P method. Every strong business message follows S.C.R.A.P. Situation. Set the context. Challenge. Define the issue or opportunity. Resolution. Present the solution. Action. State what happens next. Payoff. Explain the benefit. Here's an example. Before. Hi team. Reaching out about our Q4 numbers. They're not great and we should discuss soon. After. Q4 revenue is tracking 15% below target. This is the situation. Without action, we risk missing our annual goal by $2.3 million. This is the challenge being faced. I've identified 3 quick wins that could recover $1.8 million by year end. This is your recommended resolution. Let's meet Thursday at 2 o'clock to prioritize. This is your recommended action. This positions us to exceed Q1 targets and secure the headcount we requested. This is the payoff you foresee. That's S.C.R.A.P. Simple, direct, effective. Part 2. Create executive-ready reports with the P.O.W.E.R framework. Professionals build reports using the P.O.W.E.R approach. Point first, lead with your main recommendation. Overview, keep your executive summary to 1 page. Why now? Show urgency or opportunity. Evidence, 3 key data points. Recommendations, clear next steps. The biggest mistake? Burying the conclusion. Executives scan the opening to decide whether to keep reading. Your first paragraph must answer, so what? And now what? Here's an example. 4 sentences. 1. Current situation and challenge. 2. Recommended solution. 3. Key evidence. 4. Expected outcome and timeline. Part 3. Deliver commanding presentations with the 10 to 20 30 rule. Use this enhanced guideline. 10 slides maximum, 20 minutes total, including Q&A, 30-point font minimum. Slides are visual aids, not scripts. Each slide should deliver 1 message backed by strong visuals, clean charts, meaningful images, and minimal text. If you can say it aloud, don't put it on the slide. Audiences read faster than you speak, so avoid competing with your own content. Use punchy headlines, limit bullet points, avoid flashy transitions, they distract from your message. When presenting, know your material, make eye contact, vary pace and tone, practice smooth slide transitions. Your presentation should feel like a cohesive narrative, not a list. Always close with a clear call to action. Tell the audience exactly what you want them to do next. Delivering bad news with diplomacy and influence. Here's where communication skill truly matters. S.C.R.A.P, P.O.W.E.R, and presentation techniques work until the message is difficult. Budget cuts, weak performance, findings leadership doesn't want to hear. This is where professionals rise. Use the diplomatic directness formula to deliver tough messages while building trust. Step 1. Lead with alignment. Start with shared goals, not the problem. We both want this project to deliver strong ROI. Step 2. Use the constraint frame. Shift from blame to context. Given Q4 budget constraints. Step 3. The redirect technique. Pair every no with a constructive path forward. While we can't increase the budget, we can extend the timeline to protect quality. Step 4. AI-powered tone calibration. Leverage the AI advantage. High performers use AI to write faster and more persuasively, not to write for them, but to elevate their own work. For emails, review this message for clarity, tone, and persuasiveness. Suggest 3 improvements tailored to my audience. For reports, analyze this executive summary. Does it answer so what and now what? Improve clarity for decision makers. For presentations, review this slide sequence. Does each slide advance the main argument? Recommend improvements. Communication leaders understand that emails, reports, and presentations are not separate skills. They're interconnected tools. Your email builds alignment. Your report provides evidence. Your presentation secures decisions. Master all 3, and you don't just communicate, you shape outcomes. Your next email, report, or presentation is an opportunity to demonstrate executive-level mastery. Make each one count.